V-Center 205. Vertical machining center with long fixed table. Rapid traverse rates of 30-30-30 meters per minute and traveling column design increase spindle up time. Long fixed table accommodates heavier loads and longer parts. The central partition delivers higher production compared to a VMC with 2-pallet APC. Rotary tables and hydraulic fixtures are easily installed. Traveling column design. The design of the V-Center 205 with a long fixed table delivers multitasking machining precision with 30 meters per minute rapid traverse rates in all axes. The traveling column design allows for pendulum loading during in-cycle machining to reduce the load and unload times and maximize spindle utilization. Rigid and dynamic structure. Heavy-duty castings from Victor's Mihanite licensed foundry are used in the bed and column for maximum damping and strength. One-piece 9-ton bed castings with heavily ribbed column minimize machine distortion. Computer-aided engineering design assures maximum stiffness and minimum overhang distortion for entire 550 mm Y-axis travel. Rigid and high-damping linear guides. Large diameter 40 mm ball screws and oversized linear guides 45 mm with retainer model SHS guarantees high structure stiffness during machining. Ball screw holders are cast into the machine for extreme rigidity and strength. This ensures constant support and accuracy for the ball screws over the entire machine life. Direct coupled servo motors eliminate motor backlash and deliver quiet operation. Wide traveling column range. Minimized interference between tool magazine and work envelope is achieved by improved column design. Scissor type telescopic guarding. High rapid feed rates of 30-30-30 meters per minute in all axes utilize high-quality scissor-type telescopic guarding to improve spindle up time. Arm-type ATC with column-mounted tool magazine. Column-mounted tool magazine improves chip-to-chip time. Tools are isolated from machining area and are contamination-free. Twin arm-type ATC offers quick tool change and maximum reliability. SK40 tooling increases the cutting capability compared with conventional BT40 tooling. Direct coupled spindle, DCS, with high torque spindle motor. Spindle motor is directly coupled to the spindle to increase precision, enhance component surface finish, and eliminate vibration caused by traditional belt-driven spindles. 12,000 RPM spindle with high torque output delivers both heavy cutting at low RPM and high-speed machining. Oil-air lubrication with filtration system is used for spindle bearings to dramatically increase spindle life. Long fixed table. Fixed work table assures uniform accuracy at full stroke of X-axis travel, even when oversized or off-center parts are loaded. Designed for easy installation of 4th axis rotary tables and/or hydraulic fixtures when compared to conventional VMC with 2-pallet APC, auto pallet changer. Higher versatility and flexibility. With the central partition installed, the V-Center 205 can effectively be turned into 2 smaller vertical machining centers. When machining on one side, operator can load or unload the other side. With the long fixed table, CNC rotary tables can be easily installed to improve the application range. 4-axis simultaneous machining for multiple faces can be achieved in a single setup. A 5-axis tilting table is also available. 18i MB5 or 16i control is required for 5-axis simultaneous machining.